All right, guys, well, you have reached Miss R's kitchen. If you want to know what I'm making for lunch today, real quick and simple and delicious, just stay tuned. All right, guys, so today we will be making a bacon cheeseburger out of plant-based meat, out of plant-based burgers, and out of plant-based bacon. So all of this is going to be like a fake, like quick meal hamburger. So what I'm going to do is just lay my burger on the grill. First I'm going to put a little oil on there. Just a little canola oil, not much. My grill is nice and hot. So just a little. Guys, the burgers look like this. And the bacon, the fake bacon, look like this. So I'm not going to put the bacon on the grill yet because, yes I am. It cooks faster than the meat, but I guess it can be waiting. Okay, now while that's cooking, I have washed my tomatoes. And so now I'm just going to get it ready for my sandwich, my hamburger. I don't need that much. There we go. We're going to cut a little onion and throw that on top of the burger that's in the grill. My bacon over there is done. It cooks faster than the burger. So I'm going to take that off shortly. I only need a little onion. I love onion, but I don't need that much. Okay, guys, so I'm going to slice up me a few pickle pieces to also go on my burger. Now I love pickles. And I'm going to be using keto bread. I'm not going to use a bun today. It'll be bread. Okay, I got my keto bread here. I don't know if they make this in a bun, but I'm using what I have here. What I like about this is it's only 35 calories per slice, and it's only 3 carbs in there. The numbers on this bread is very low, so you know, go check that out. And it tastes good. That's one of the ways that I've been really keeping the weight off. I have been cutting out my carbs. Okay, guys, well, the patty is done. Don't they look delicious? Let's get some onions. I won't be putting ketchup on my hamburger because ketchup got a lot of sugar in it. So I won't be putting any ketchup on there. Here's my fake bacon. I'm going to put the bacon on there. Put some tomatoes on there. I'm gonna put some pickles on here. And just a little mustard. So now we are going to put just a little spinach on here. I know some of y'all going to be like, ugh. I'm going to put some mayo on there. As you know, I have been fasting. I can't eat a lot anymore. I can eat a lot, but I just don't want a lot. I get full very fast now. I'm going to put that on there like that. Look at that. Look at that. Plant-based vegan burger. I'm going to cut it. All right, guys. Well, this is the burger, and bon appetit. I fasted for 24 hours today. Plant-based bacon burger. Plant-based bacon cheeseburger. Let me see what drink we're going to feature today. Okay, guys, today we are going to be featuring just the regular cola, Zevia. I've been taking you all through different flavors and everything with me. So this one is just regular cola. We have already been through ginger ale, grape, strawberry. The favorite is cherry cola. So we're just going to see what cola tastes like. Let the bubbles calm down. All right, guys, let's see. I wouldn't write home about it. It's not bad. It's not all that great. It's just pop. And but I can tell you right now, the cherry one is the bomb. The cherry cola is the bomb. And then my next favorite one would be, that I have picked up, would be the strawberry. Then I guess I'll say grape. Ginger ale was a little bit too sweet for me. And my last one would be this. I don't know if I tried orange. If I did, I can't remember. Then that tells you right there. But that cherry cola, I will be having a lot of that. All right, guys. Well, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Thank you for coming to my kitchen with me and seeing what I made for lunch today. A plant-based bacon cheeseburger and the 0-calorie Coca-Cola Zevia pop. So come on back with me tomorrow. See what I'll be cooking. So guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video coming out. And also tell me what you may want me to cook. Vegan, based, or whatever. And like always, guys, Stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. And by the way, this is delicious. Mwah.